In order to change the blade, first thing, you want to make sure that the machine is unplugged. And then you're going to take the Phillips screwdriver and loosen the 3 screws on the cover plate. And then to lock the blade, you'll depress the spindle lock, which is on the side of the motor. And then loosen the blade. We're going to be applying a stainless steel cutting blade to the saw. The printed side of the blade faces out with the blades rotating toward the front. And then you're going to depress the spindle lock in order to tighten the blade down. And then tighten the screws back in. The 14-inch metal cutting chop saw can utilize 4 different blades: a mild steel, a stainless steel, and aluminum, and also a finer tooth blade for cutting thinner mild steels. We'll just plug our saw back in and we'll be ready to go.